Okay, so kamusta po ang ating gabi? Medyo mainit po. Are you having fun there? Hello? Gutom na ba kayo? Gutom na agad. Okay, so before we start, let us all welcome our celebrant. Asa na ba yung celebrant? Ayan.
Malakad-lakad yung celebrant. Ayun, o.
Grooming around.
Gutom na.
Okay, so let us welcome our birthday celebrant as we celebrate the 87th birthday tonight. Loy Loyna!
Ay, tawag ka! Tawag ka doon!
87.
Okay, hello. Lana, come here. Okay. So before anything else, let us have the message from our celebrant.
Salamat sa pagpunta.
Okay, so thank you po sa pagpunta ngayong gabi. And nag-request po yung ating celebrant na let's eat muna for the weekend, okay? Okay, so
Is your love, and I really need to know. 'Cause the world living in the world of yours, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? And I really need to know.
Oji, ganyan ka na lang, kinakain.
Mamaya.
Kainin mo yung pagkain mo.